My name is Kaseem. Welcome to the channel. If you're new, welcome. If you're not new, welcome back. Appreciate you for coming back. So, in this video, we're going to talk about Tesla and Elon Musk deciding to buy Bitcoin. Elon Musk Tesla basically announced earlier on this morning on Monday. So Elon Musk announced earlier on in the morning today. Today is February 8th, 2021. Elon Musk announced that they are going to convert $1.5 billion of worth of Tesla's reserve, convert that into Bitcoin. I think that's a good idea. I think Bitcoin is a great way for Elon to diversify the company's money and to diversify the company's portfolio. I think Bitcoin is a good hedge against inflation, or because the government are printing a lot of money, which is needed right now because we're going through the Rona situation. So I think Tesla buying Bitcoin is a good thing for all Tesla investors, because Bitcoin is only a limited amount of Bitcoin that can ever be created, and once those Bitcoin has been created, that's it. No more can be created, so that becomes a commodity. And you can say Bitcoin is compared to gold. You can say it's compared to whatever you wanna call it. But I personally think it's a good idea for Tesla to buy Bitcoin. Me, I'm a Tesla investor. You guys know on this channel I do Tesla content all the time. I think it's a good idea that Elon purchased Bitcoin. Just by them purchasing Bitcoin, by Tesla announcing that they purchased Bitcoin, Bitcoin went up by 10%. Yeah, it went up to like $40,000. So that is good for all Tesla investors, because now we're working with two things, right? Let's say over time Bitcoin actually go up in price. Over time, that means the value of Tesla also goes up. Obviously, if it decreases, the value of Tesla also decreases as well. So that's a risk. But at the moment, crypto is very, very volatile. I have some crypto myself. I just buy them and hold on to them for the long term. I don't trade them. I don't trade out of it much. I just buy and hold it. I don't trade out of it much. I just buy and hold it. And I think it's a good idea for Tesla to hold a piece of Bitcoin as their reserve. I would like to say congratulations to all Tesla investors. I would like to say congratulations to Gally from Hyperchange. He's been talking about this for a long time. I follow his channel. It's a great channel. I think you should go follow him as well. He's been talking about this for a long time. I think both Tesla and Bitcoin, I think this is a great combination. Just because Tesla purchased Bitcoin, basically by buying Tesla, you technically hold a tiny little bit of Bitcoin as well. So I'm happy that the company purchased Bitcoin. Okay, I'm very, very happy about that. Also very important to look at is like fiat currency, like the dollar, the pound, euro, government controlled currency. They're basically being diluted at a high rate right now. Currently, the past year or so, US print 25% more money. I mean, I understand why the government needed to print this money, because it really it's needed for the economy and everything. But at the end of the day, that dilutes the purchasing power for those that have money. Those people that don't have money, it makes it a little bit harder to actually get a hold of a decent amount of money, just because you have to work harder to make the same amount of money to pay for more expensive stuff. So I think it's nice that the company is purchasing Bitcoin. Tesla has a lot of money in their balance in the bank account, in their balance sheet. They have almost $20 billion worth of cash that they're holding on to right now, cash money in the balance sheet. I think this is a great thing for them purchasing this. This even makes me more bullish on the company at the moment, because even though Bitcoin is very volatile, just because Elon Musk is a trendsetter, is the first CEO that actually actually announced that he's purchasing Bitcoin for the company. So I believe that this is going to be a snowball thing. I think other companies, Apple, Microsoft, Google, I think other companies, they're going to look at this and say, and look at this and be like, wow, this could be something we can participate in. And they might start jumping in and buying as well. So this even give me more it gave me more conviction in terms of being bullish on Tesla, because this is a huge move for Tesla and Tesla investor. And as a Tesla investor, I completely agree with this. I know I'm a small investor, but I still completely agree with this either ways. The second thing that I'm also excited about is Dogecoin. I mean, Elon has been talking about Dogecoin a lot lately in his account, and I believe maybe in the future he just might integrate Dogecoin into Tesla of some sort. So that means maybe you can use Doge to purchase something from Tesla, from the Tesla store, or maybe you can actually use Doge to buy one of their cars. Who knows? Or maybe in the future, when robotaxi becomes a thing, maybe you can use Doge to purchase stuff, like in terms of cryptocurrency. Even though Doge, it's people, some people love it, some people hate it. Me, I'm in the middle. I'm all about whatever can make me money. Let me kind of look into the future, what's going to happen, and try to invest based on that. But I'm so excited about this, about Tesla making this move, because I believe it's good for the company and it's good for the shareholders. And we should also think about is that if we compare Bitcoin to gold, Bitcoin is just a tiny percentage of gold. So, I mean, to be honest, a lot of people put their money into gold, whether ETF, gold ETF, or like actual physical gold, the bullion itself. Like the whole market for gold is like $8 trillion. And I'll put a thing right on top of this video so you can see the actual chart. So there's a huge chance for Bitcoin to grow even larger, which in turn also means that Tesla stock will also grow as well, because it's two things that's happening now. First of all, Tesla purchased $1.5 billion worth of Bitcoin, so they have that under their balance sheet. So over time, as crypto goes up, their balance sheet grows up dramatically because they have $1.5 billion worth of Bitcoin. That's one thing. The second thing is, once they start accepting cryptocurrency as payments for their products, that means they don't even have to spend their money to purchase the Bitcoin anymore. Obviously, they have to spend money to purchase raw materials to make the car and everything. But over time, I think the hedge is really nice, because Bitcoin, there's a limited supply of it over time, right? And a bunch of people will eventually own a piece of this Bitcoin. So if Tesla holds on to this for a long period of time, I think it will add a lot of value to the company in terms of the company's growth. And it's also a great thing, because this, like I said earlier on, this would also encourage other CEOs to jump in and be able to get into the trend and, you know, purchase cryptocurrency themselves. So purchase Bitcoin. Most likely it's going to be Bitcoin that people are going to purchase at first, until all the other currency kind of establish themselves, because Bitcoin now has been around since 2008, 2009, if I'm not mistaken. So this is a good thing. I'm completely in support of this, completely. Let me just wrap this up here. We're gonna continue this story on my Wednesday Tesla updates. I just thought I should drop this video because this is actually a big deal as well, because just by Tesla purchasing Bitcoin, literally pushed Bitcoin up by a couple percentage here. Let me quickly search to see what the percentages are. So by Tesla just purchasing a little bit of Bitcoin here, we can see here that the stock literally, the coin literally jumped up by 10%, by 15% actually, 15% by the time I'm doing this video, 15% on the day. So that is huge. That's a big deal. That means Tesla's value as well, like the stock as well, actually went up today. Tesla stock as well pushed up today by 1.3%. It went up by 11 dollars here. So Bitcoin went up by 15%, and Tesla stock also went up by 1.3%. Earlier on it was up a lot. It was up like 15% earlier on. So it was up $876. So this is pretty good. This is pretty good. I think over time people will recognize that what Tesla just did here is actually a good thing for the shareholders. So I'm looking forward to actually sharing how the stock performed, how Bitcoin performed. Now I'm gonna be keeping an eye on Bitcoin as well and sharing all that stuff with you on a regular basis. Guys, thank you for watching. I'm gonna finish the video up here. Thank you for watching. I appreciate you for watching. If you like what I do here, consider subscribing to the channel. I basically keep my eye on my money. I'm an investor. I'm just starting up. I keep an eye on different things. Trying to put my money into things that will grow my money. And you guys can check out my channel. You can see what I'm about. I'm serious with my money, so please subscribe if you want to watch what I'm doing here. I have set $1 million challenge for myself within the next 10 years. I don't know how long it's going to take me for me to get there. It could be 10 years, it could be 20 years, I don't know. But all I know is I will stay grinding on a daily basis, on a weekly basis, to see what's out there, whether that's Bitcoin, whether that's Tesla, whether that's SpaceX, whether that's any company that is doing things a different way and looking to create value for humanity, and obviously will grow investors' money as well. Because that's why I'm doing this. I'm doing this to grow my net worth. So thank you again for watching. I appreciate you. If you like what I do here, please subscribe. Until next time, see you later. Love you all.